As I read the list of dispositions in the survey, I found that I strongly agreed with each one. I highly value all of these dispositions and strive to emulate them. However, there are some that I am more successful at than others. I have been effective at consistently setting high expectations for all my students and believing that all students can learn. I have had classes full of diverse learners that need a bar set for them to reach toward. The height of that bar may vary, but when I make it clear what the expectation is for each student and then encourage them along the way, they can always achieve it. I have found it pretty simple to maintain confidentiality for my students. It is very possible to keep a parent or guardian informed of their students' abilities and needs without disclosing other students' information. On the same token, I am able to maintain fairness within my assessments through validity and reliability. Finally, the disposition that makes me a successful teacher is modeling integrity by my words and actions. This is a passion of mine. If I make a mistake, I apologize to the student or class. Students need to see adults modeling how to take responsibility for their actions and words. They need to see how an adult handles conflict, so I talk through conflict and resolution with them, and when appropriate, give examples in my life. I have worked very hard to be a person of my word, because these kids need it. They need us to be models of behavior for them. Only then can we hold them to the same standard. 2 dispositions stood out to me as things I am currently working on improving. The first is that reflection plus experience equals growth. I'm continuing to gain experience, but I need to make sure that I am reflecting on my experiences in order to grow. Secondly, I am working on promoting and supporting curiosity and active inquiry in my classroom. My goal as a teacher is to teach kids how to learn for themselves. The best way to do this is to have a classroom climate where thinking and exploring are expectations. I want my students to be problem solvers, not just in the classroom, but also in life. If I can improve at promoting their natural curiosity and get kids to be active inquirers, then they will become lifelong learners and problem solvers. To conclude, a professional educator should behave in an honorable way, putting the needs of students first in every decision that is involved as an educator. As a Christian, the Bible is the standard that guides my thinking. I have found that as godly principles guide my behavior, I am able to behave in a manner that is full of love, respect, and integrity.